Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Choosing the right flooring for a high traffic area is crucial. You want something that looks great but can also handle wear and tear. Today, we're going to explore the top 3 durable flooring options that are perfect for those busy spaces in your home. Let's dive into it. So first on our list, we have LVT, also known as luxury vinyl tiles. If you want something stylish and durable throughout your house, LVT is a great option. LVT is designed to be incredibly tough, making it resistant to scratches, dents, and even moisture, which is why it's suitable for high traffic areas such as kitchens, hallways, and living rooms. But LVT isn't just about toughness. One of the biggest draws of LVT is its versatility in design. Whether you're going for a warm look of hardwood, the sleekness of stone, or even a modern tile pattern, LVT has you covered with realistic textures and pattern that mimics natural materials. And the best part, it's low maintenance. All you need is an occasional mop and sweep to keep it looking brand new. If you have kids, pets, or just a busy household in general, LVT is a durable, stylish, and practical choice that can handle whatever life throws at it. Next up, let's talk about engineered hardwood. Engineered hardwood is a fantastic option if you love the look of real wood, but you need something a bit more resilient in the high traffic area. Unlike solid wood, engineered hardwood is constructed with the real wood veneer on top of a stable core, usually made of plywood. This construction gives its greatest stability and resistance to moisture and temperature changes, which is especially important in the busy areas like kitchens, living rooms, and basements. The top layer of engineered hardwood is real wood, so you get the same natural beauty and texture as solid hardwood. And depending on the thickness of the veneer, it can even be refinished once or twice, extending its lifespan. This makes engineered hardwood a great long-term investment for high traffic areas, where you want that authentic wood look without worrying as much about warping or expansion. In terms of maintenance, engineered hardwood is very easy to take care of. A regular sweeping and occasional mopping is all it takes to keep it looking at its best. Engineered hardwood combines the beauty of real wood with enhanced durability, making it a smart choice for those high traffic areas in your home. Last but not least, we have laminate flooring. Laminate has come a long way in recent years, as now it's one of the most popular options for high traffic areas, thanks to its durability and cost effectiveness. Laminate flooring is made from a high density fiberboard core topped with a photographic layer that can replicate the look of wood, stone, or tile. This layer then coated with a clear, protective layer that makes laminate resistant towards scratches, stains, and moisture. One of the biggest advantages of laminate is its price point. It offers a look of a real wood or stone without the higher cost, making it a great option if you're working within the budget. But don't let the low price fool you. Laminate is incredibly durable and can handle wear and tear of daily life, especially in high traffic areas. Laminate is also easy to install thanks to its click-lock design, which makes it a popular choice for DIY projects. And when it comes to maintenance, it's as easy as it gets. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping with damp cloth are all you need to keep your laminate looking fresh. So there you have it, our top 3 options for high traffic areas: LVT, engineered, and laminate. Each of these options offer a unique blend of durability, style, and practicality, so it really comes down to your specific needs, budget, and personal taste. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, see you next time. I was doing so good. It's the camera, I'm telling you. Today we're going to dive into the top 3. This is not. I'm just too sick for this. I missed the open goal, bro.
We'll take half an hour doing this.
Unlike solid wood, engineered hardwood is constructed with a real wood veneer on top. Yeah, I bought that 100%. 100% I bought it. Come a long way in recent years, as now it's one of the most popular choices.